Ever feel like your stomach is about to burst after eating? Bloating and gas can ruin your day, making you feel sluggish and uncomfortable. But what if you could put an end to it, permanently? Stick around, because today, you'll discover simple, science-backed ways to stop bloating and gas for good. No gimmicks, no temporary fixes, just real solutions that work. Let's be real, bloating isn't just a minor inconvenience. It makes you feel heavy, tired, and can even be painful. Maybe you've tried cutting out dairy, avoiding certain foods, or taking overpriced probiotics that promise the world but deliver nothing. Yet, the bloating always comes back. Sound familiar? The truth is, most people treat the symptoms and ignore the real cause. If you don't fix the root problem, you'll be stuck in a never-ending cycle of discomfort. And trust me, ignoring it can lead to bigger digestive issues down the road. Bloating and gas usually come from three main issues. 1. Poor digestion. Your body struggles to break down food properly, leading to trapped gas. 2. Gut imbalance. Too many bad bacteria cause fermentation in your intestines, creating gas and discomfort. 3. Food sensitivities. Certain foods trigger inflammation and bloating, often without you realizing it. If you don't fix these three areas, no amount of diet tweaks will give you lasting relief. Here's how to eliminate bloating and gas permanently. 1. Supercharge your digestion. Take a high-quality enzyme supplement before meals to break down food efficiently. 2. Restore gut balance. A clinically proven probiotic replenishes good bacteria and starves the bad ones. Look for strains like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. 3. Eliminate hidden triggers. Cut out processed sugar, gluten, and dairy for 14 days and see how your body responds. 4. Hydrate smartly. Drink warm lemon water in the morning to wake up your digestion. 5. Gut healing foods include ginger, peppermint, and fennel. These naturally soothe digestion and reduce bloating fast. Now, I know making all these changes at once can feel overwhelming. That's why many people turn to Vivo Gut, a complete, science-backed solution that tackles bloating at its root. Vivo Gut is a 14-in-1 gut health formula designed to stop bloating and gas naturally. It combines digestive enzymes to break down food fast, probiotics to restore gut balance, anti-inflammatory nutrients to soothe digestion, bladderwrack protects your gut lining, ashwagandha calms digestive stress, and essential minerals like selenium, copper, and magnesium help restore optimal gut function. By adding Vivo Gut to your routine, you're giving your gut exactly what it needs to digest food smoothly, so bloating and gas become a thing of the past. If you're serious about eliminating bloating for good, start taking action today. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment to learn more about Vivo Gut and how it can transform your digestion. Your journey to a bloat-free life starts now.